I am Niels Bohr, a Danish physicist born in 1885. My influential work revolves around the Bohr model, a groundbreaking theory of atomic structure proposed in 1913. The Bohr model fundamentally changed our understanding of atoms. In this model, electrons orbit the nucleus in specific quantized energy levels, akin to the rungs of a ladder. These orbits, or electron shells, have fixed energies, and electrons can only move between them by absorbing or emitting specific amounts of energy. When electrons transition between these orbits, they emit or absorb light, producing distinct spectral lines. My Bohr model successfully explained the spectral patterns observed in hydrogen and provided a framework for understanding atomic behavior. While it was later superseded by more comprehensive quantum theories, the Bohr model laid the foundation for quantum mechanics and remains a critical milestone in the history of atomic physics.